To improve accuracy, you can constrain your measurements using more than one plane. First, select the plane tool from the toolbar, hover over the vertical surface, hold Shift to snap to vertical, click left and double-click to place the plane. Next, the plane at a specific height. With the plane tool still active, click left anywhere on the floor, add some extra samples for more precision, and double-click to finalize. In the left panel, rename this plane to, for example, floor plus 150, so it's easy to recognize. And then in the Properties panel, set the Z value to 1.50, that's 150 centimeters above the floor, the standard architectural cut plane height. And now let's switch to the line tool. Click left on both planes to activate them. They should show a greenish tint. And then you can start drawing your measurements by clicking left to place the first point, and then continue as you go, and you'll notice your measurements are constrained to both active planes. When you're done, press Enter or double-click to complete the line. And you want to measure from a different orientation, simply click off an active plane to remove the constraint. This lets you continue your measurement freely or switch to another plane at a different angle. You can also add or remove planes as you go, refining your setup based on the geometry you're working with, giving you total control over accuracy and alignment.